Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel English Impact, and today I'm gonna start a new series for you, and it is going to be a simple vocabulary, the vocabulary we generally use in our day-to-day context, in our day-to-day conversation. It's a very simple word that we are not able to use properly in our day-to-day conversation. So please, just go ahead and every day we will do just 5 words, and I'm gonna give you proper explanation with few examples as well, which will make it more clear for you. So the first one is in a while. Yes, in a while. So what is the meaning? थोड़ी देर में. In a while, थोड़ी देर में. So yes, now there are few examples as well for you. I will come in a while. मैं थोड़ी देर में आऊंगा. I'll come in a while. He'll leave for school in a while. वो थोड़ी देर में स्कूल के लिए निकलेगा. So simple. So in a while means थोड़ी देर में. And we have to just use simply with the according to the tense and all. I will come in a while. मैं थोड़ी देर में आऊंगा. He will leave for school in a while. I'll leave for my office in a while. So now frame some more sentences and practice it aloud. और sentences frame करिए and practice करिए. And how you have to practice aloud, not in your mind. For a while, थोड़ी देर के लिए. Now यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर में, कुछ देर में, और यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर के लिए means we are here हम ड्यूरेशन में बात कर रहे हैं. ड्यूरेशन कुछ देर के लिए. Yes. So the example is give me the mobile for a while. कुछ देर के लिए मोबाइल दीजिएगा. Give me the mobile for a while. कुछ देर के लिए. We are talking in duration, time period, duration. कुछ देर के लिए. Wait for me for a while. कुछ देर के लिए इंतजार करिए. Wait for me for a while. कुछ देर के लिए इंतजार करिए. Can't you keep quiet for a while? क्या तुम कुछ देर चुप नहीं रह सकते? So for a while, कुछ देर के लिए. Can't you keep quiet for a while? We rested for a while. हमने कुछ देर इंतजार किया. हमने कुछ देर rest किया. We rested for a while in the past tense. Yes, we rested. Second form. So we rested. Rest किया. आराम किया. We waited for a while. हमने कुछ देर के लिए इंतजार किया. We waited for a while. Yes. Now the third one. Quite often. Quite often. अक्सर. Prior. अक्सर. Quite often. Often and quite often means अक्सर में भी थोड़ा ज्यादा. मतलब इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी आपकी कुछ बढ़ गई. जो कुछ हो रहा है वो थोड़ा सा उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी और बढ़ गई. Quite often हो रहा है. अक्सर. I go there quite often. मैं वहाँ अक्सर जाता हूँ. I go there quite often. I often go there. Both are same. यहाँ पे quite often में फ्रीक्वेंसी थोड़ी सी और ज्यादा हो गई. मतलब वीक में लगभग 4 बार. Often means कहीं 1-2 बार. Quite often थोड़ा सा फ्रीक्वेंसी हमारी और बढ़ गई यहाँ पे. So clear? Yes. Quite. पूरी तरह से. बिल्कुल. पूरी तरह से. I'm quite well now. मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. मैं पूरी तरह से ठीक हूँ. Quite well now. You are quite similar to me. बिल्कुल मेरी तरह. मीन्स हमारे में बहुत सारी समानताएं हैं. हो सकता है तुम मेरी तरह सोचते हो या हमारे अपीयरेंस सेम है. It's quite similar to me. So maybe in terms of appearance, thinking, मतलब similarity. So you're quite similar to me. बिल्कुल मेरी तरह. Now fifth one, simultaneously. एक ही समय पर. Simultaneously. एक ही समय पर. I'm studying and working simultaneously. मैं एक ही समय पर काम भी कर रहा हूँ, पैसा भी कमा रहा हूँ. Means both things are going hand in hand. और ये एक ही साथ हो रही है. I'm studying and working simultaneously. मैं एक ही समय पर पैसा भी कमा रहा हूँ और पढ़ाई भी कर रहा हूँ. Here 5 beautiful words for you that you just use in your day-to-day context, but most of the time you're not able to use it. Especially beginners, they just got stuck. So I've given you 2 or 3 examples to make it more clear with a proper explanation. So now what you have to do, you have to frame some more sentences and practice it aloud. So that's it for today, and we will shoot more such videos. And go ahead, follow the entire series. You are gonna rock, and you'll be dreaming English. That's my promise. Thank you. Have a great day.